Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to my English classroom. I hope you all are hale and hearty by the mercy of Allah. I'm also doing great in the grace of the Almighty. Today, we're going to discuss about the topic how to improve your English, Day 2. Okay, let's get started. Yes, আজকে হলো Day 2. তো আমি শুরু করতেছি, তোমরা খুবই কেয়ারফুলি শুনবা এবং তারপরে যে কাজটা হবে সেটা হলো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। ওকে? My friend Sajjad and I were sitting at the railway station. I came to see him off. Sajjad was going to Dhaka to his elder sister's house. It was very crowded in the station. There was a long line of people at the ticket counter. A woman was standing in the queue. She was holding her child's hand tightly. A group of young people was talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a tea stall. An old couple was trying to find a quiet place to sit down and rest. The waiting room was crowded too. I saw one man who was trying to carry three heavy suitcases. A young lady was sitting on a bench with her luggage at one corner. She was reading a magazine. My friend and I stood near a newspaper stall talking and watching the crowd around. Soon my friend's train started to leave. As the train whistled, he picked up his suitcase and we said goodbye to each other. ওকে, তো এখন তোমাদের কাজ হবে ভিডিওটির সাউন্ড কমিয়ে দিয়ে তোমরা নিজেরা প্র্যাকটিস করবা, ঠিক আছে? Don't forget that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, hope to see you in my next class. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Best of luck.